Welcome, everyone. I am Peggy Brodowski from the Health Department. And we are all here today to celebrate the Healthy Town recognition. And the Healthy Town recognition has been bestowed upon us by the New Jersey Quality Institute. And I'm going to tell you about what it means to be a healthy town, or why we got it. Cities and towns that demonstrate excellence in providing health and wellness initiatives in their respective communities by maintaining programs that promote exercise, healthy eating, and mental health education and awareness in their community. So there's like 3 tiers to this. So first you have Healthy Town Up and Coming, and then you have Healthy Town to Watch For, and then you have Healthy Town, and what did we get in Montclair? We got the top tier. And why did we get the Healthy Town designation? Our mayor, council, and all of our community partners and our employees that make Montclair a healthy town. I do want to say, though, that before we bring the mayor up, I know she's going to say a few words, I do want to tell you about all the phenomenal programs that are going on. This is just for the month of April. That's how many things are going on here. So, first of all, April 3rd, we had the Black Poster Project. I see Robin is here. And the Essex Health and Wellness Recovery Center team. I hope you got over there to see it. It is a powerful, moving, traveling expedition of individuals that have lost their lives to substance use disorder, to addiction, and to overdoses. Fentanyl and all these other drugs. It is an awareness campaign that will save lives, totally. The next event that we've had in April, I was at on Saturday, the Montclair NAACP has a wellness walking challenge. It's for the next 4 Saturdays in Brookdale Park. A lot of fun. It's only 1 mile, okay, it's not bad. And at the end of it, Rosita gets everybody to do a little dance, and then you're on your way. So if you're up for it, Saturdays in Brookdale Park. Another one that we have then is up here is the Conversation of Your Life. This is our partner Judy Hurley and Lifelong Montclair, and it's Conversation of Your Life. It's about having end-of-life discussions with your family members and how important it is to have those discussions, because you know, before our family members end up in the ER, we want to know what their wishes are, what they want for comfort, et cetera. So we have a great panel. We have a lawyer, a hospice director, a rabbi, and an end-of-life doula. Very interesting. So that is on April 22nd at Wally's Choice. Next up, I see Lisa's here. On the 26th, we have the Healthy Kids at the YMCA. Fun for all. We're going to be over there. Our nurses are going to be over there too for lead education, but we'll be there. April 26th and 27th, there's a lot happening. We have the Earth Day cleanup, which is from the Park and Recreation Cultural Affairs Advisory Committee Northeast Earth Coalition. And there's a whole bunch of places that they're going, which is really good because they're going to clean up, because then there's another celebration on April 27th for Earth Day from Lisa Johnson. I don't know if she's here. And sustainability. Thank you, Marcia. So, and that's April. Isn't that amazing? And that's because of all of you. The other things that we have up and coming, just a little shout out, is we do have a mental health awareness walk. Join us May 4th at Edgemont. And then we have cancer screenings coming up with the SAVE program. And Reaching Out Montclair, Madeline's here somewhere. Where are you, Madeline? Reaching Out Montclair is doing a family health fair, Father's Day weekend, that's Saturday, at Wally's Choice. So these are phenomenal and wonderful health and wellness initiatives. Before we bring the mayor up, I do want to say a special thank you to Amy Monaco, our health director, who supports and encourages us to go out and figure out different programs to bring to the community, and Amy's team that's always willing to, jump in there and do whatever we need to do to get a program together. So we thank you. And another person I want to bring up, Vanessa. And I have to tell you, so the Mayor's Wellness Campaign application, okay, was an undertaking. And honestly, you guys made it all easy because you had, and oh, I see Catalina from Mountainside Hospital. I'm sorry, Catalina. I've got to recognize you. Your flyer's up there as well. You guys made it easy for us because you gave us statistics and programs and flyers about health and wellness. Putting it all together was another bear. And this lady really knocked it out of the park. So I thank you, Vanessa. She really did it. And Vanessa's going to tell you a little bit about how we try to communicate these programs. So we're trying to make them more out there, easier access, right?
Yes. Okay, so I'm tiny, so. So we have started using Padlet, which is like a digital resource to share wellness initiatives and events happening within the Montclair community. We made a QR code. It goes in our newsletter. We share it on the township website, and you can just take a picture of it, and it takes you straight to the Padlet. The Padlet is used to share not only our newsletter again, but resources, webinars, community events, and calendars from our different community partners. So we have our calendar on there. We have Lifelong Montclair's events. We have events with Reaching Out Montclair. We have events with Mountainside, with YMCA, all in this centralized location. You can scroll through. It's sent out in the Mayor's Wellness Campaign committee emails, so you guys should all be getting it currently, or at least your department head should be getting it. It's in the email. It's sent as a link. So yes, if you have resources or events in regards to health and wellness, you're welcome to share them with me, and I can add it to the Padlet. Or if we have any collaborations in the future and there's flyers, I can also add it that way, and then we can share it out with the community. It's easy. If you want the QR code itself to put on your own flyers to share with the community, that is also a possibility as well. And that's it.
Well, we really thank you all, and I know Amy Monaco is going to come up now.
So first of all, I also want to thank Vanessa, who is indispensable. She's our grant-funded health educator, and Peggy, who took the lead in getting us back on track with the Healthy Town designation. And then, of course, all the staff who always jumps in and helps with whatever needs to happen. So, I also want to thank the mayor for her support with the Mayor's Wellness Program. It's great having a physician, leading the town and who really understands public health and, the needs of the, various groups in town. So, with this, I want to invite the mayor up, and I want to award her the plaque that we got from the New Jersey Healthy Town 2024 from the New Jersey Healthcare Quality Institute. Sure. Okay, take a good one. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm supposed to say something? Well, here, stand on up here with me. Thank you very much. First of all, I am overwhelmed. It's not every day that people are able to keep something from me. This was first delivered to my office, and I said to Amy, I said, oh, they have your proclamation here, so take this and take the step and repeat and a couple of things that were there. And so I had no idea that we were going to be here today, and I had no idea that I was going to be able to take the proclamation. This means a whole lot to me. I don't take kindness for granted at all, especially in this world today where, there's oftentimes not kindness. So the best part of what I've been going through since July, when I was sworn in, is you guys. And I mean that. Just coming in and embracing me and, showing me what's going on and doing all of this stuff. It means a whole lot, and I'm grateful. And I want to thank you. All the different things that are going on, it says the Mayor's Wellness Campaign, and they make it so I just have to show up and be a part of the team. Certainly as a seasoned health professional who has practiced pediatrics for 40 years, I am very much aware of what's going on and the need. But even when we talk about things like mental health, the best treatment for mental health is kindness. And not just a certain day. I see up here we have, this day we're going to walk for this day. We're going to walk that way. If everybody would just make a point every day to show some kindness to somebody, I think mental health would be so much better because it really means a lot. And whether you speak to somebody or you don't, or, something happened last week and you're carrying the baggage because you just, feel like a person, did you or lose the baggage? And try to show the kindness. And I really live by that, and the joy that I feel every day is just an incredible thing, and I want everybody to feel that joy. So again, I thank you. I thank all of you all, because all of these wonderful things, you all are doing that. You're doing the collaboration. I feel the love, and I am so appreciative, so thank you. One thing that I didn't hear mentioned so far was we're going to have Walking Wednesdays. And we got to have Walking Wednesdays. So if you're in this area, we're going to plan to meet here around 12 or whatever. We will send that out. And we're going to walk, during the lunch break or whatever. We're gonna walk for our wellness. And I think that that'll be good too. And we can talk if anybody has questions, concerns, or, want to beat me up for something I didn't do or should be doing. I'm all about it. And I really am. And it's important for me to hear the concerns and suggestions that you have just as much as it is to come to these wonderful celebrations. So thank you so very much. I appreciate you guys.
One more thing, Mayor. One more thing. Mayor, Dr. Renee Baskerville, Mayor, you are a champion for health and wellness programs, and along with our community partners here, we would like to give you some flowers.
I love the flowers.
Okay.
Thank you.
Those
Thank
are for
you.
you, too. Thank you.
Wait, I'm a hugger. I'm a hugger.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you so very
Let-
much. I appreciate
One thing,
it.
Mayor, I will say, you walk the walk and you inspire me. 'Cause
Thank
when I
you.
talk to you, you say, I got up at 4 a.m. and I'm on the treadmill. And
Yeah.
I'm like, I got to get a treadmill.
Yeah, every day. Thank you.
Maybe that'll help me. Anyway, let's celebrate. So we have a cake back here. We got a